Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, will be discussing with you how to fix Telegram channel cannot be displayed because it's used to spread. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're trying to access a specific group chat here inside Telegram and you're wondering why you can't access that and you're getting that notification, well, there are a few things that you may need to do here and you may need to know. Now, the thing with Telegram here is depending on how you're accessing their platform, you'll have different options. And even that includes even your settings here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is want to guarantee that your settings are properly set up. So in this case, you want to go and click on settings that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now, inside settings, you want to go and look for the option that says privacy and security. And from here, you want to look for the option that basically says filter sensitive content. Now, if you do see the option here that says filter sensitive content, you want to go and just disable that and you'll be able to start accessing those group chats again. Now, in some cases, if you don't see that in here, what you need to do is you want to go and exit the actual app. You want to open up a browser, so any browser would actually do here. And from here, you want to go to web.telegram.org and you want to go and just re-access your settings again. So to access your settings, you want to go and click on the three bar icon at the top left of your screen. And you want to go and choose the option here that says settings. Now inside settings, you want to go and choose the option that says privacy and security again. And again, just scroll down a bit here and look for disable filtering for sensitive content. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and head over and to the actual app and basically close it. So close the Telegram app here. And once you've closed it, open it up again and see if that helps your issue. Now, if that doesn't help or you're still having that issue, well, the next thing that you need to know here is how Telegram handles these type of situations. Now, the thing with Telegram here is they filter out sensitive content, and that includes content for adults only. Now, if Telegram here actually manages or detected that a channel contains those type of content, they would usually just basically remove the channel or delete that channel. Now, if they deleted the channel, typically you won't be able to re-access that. You may need to reach out to the actual owner of that channel and see if they create a new channel for that specific type of content or if they actually appealed for the channel to be restored. But in some cases, there's a low chance of that channel being restored, so you may need to reach out to the owner of that channel and see what actually happened. But as of right now, that's currently how Telegram works, and we won't be able to go past through that. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.